Compassion and love are my very core, void of all predilections. I'm free to adore. Nothing exists by itself. All is the self, all is myself. Love beyond wealth. Love is the meaning, the purpose of all. Above unity's call, beyond every wall. In pure consciousness, light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract. Don't pretend to love as if separate from me. Unless you see one, you cannot love free. Know beyond doubting, the same life flows through. Realize your fullness, then love comes true. Love is the meaning, the purpose of all. Above unity's call, beyond every wall. In pure consciousness, the light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract. Wisdom is knowing I'm nothing at all. Love is knowing I'm everything, standing tall. Between these two truths, my life finds its flow. The power of love in perfection removes all fear. Love is the most powerful healing medicine, deeper than drugs, beyond all regimen. It mends what is broken, it softens the stone, it calls every fragment back home to the one. Love is more powerful than electricity, brighter than lightning, yet tender and free. It powers the stars and the beat in the chest. It turns every wound into doorway to rest. Love is the meaning, but the purpose of all. Above unity's call, beyond every wall. In pure consciousness, light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract. Alienation births fear, fear deepens the chain. Only self-realization can break through the pain. Look inward till you find your own source. You're the light and the love, eternal of course. Love overcomes the cycle of fear and separation, dissolving the dream of a divided creation. There is no other for love to pursue. Love is that oneness expressing as you. Of all, above unity's call, beyond every wall. In pure consciousness, light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract. Now sing, I love you all. I love you as mother, as brother, as father, as friend, co-worker, stranger. I love you all. I love the green earth, the sky and the sea, all creatures, all things that ever could be. I love the whole universe, every being, every star. My love reaches out no matter how far. heart, the universe is round. The meaning, the purpose of all, above unity's call, beyond every wall. In the pure consciousness, light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract. Love is the meaning, the purpose of all, above unity's call, beyond every wall. In the pure consciousness, light warms through contact. Love is the rhythm I won't retract.